If you're trying to improve your remote work and just general mood and ability to focus, a daily journal is one of the best ways to do it. It reduces your stress, regulates your emotion, improves your mood, allows you to problem solve better, and provides enhanced cognitive functioning, right? So, all good things with a few minutes a day. And this is also designed to help you plan your week. So, all credit goes to Easlow, who put this original format together, and then I adapted it a little bit. So here's how you use it. You can see at the top, you're going to put in entries every single day. You can see your whole week here. And then if you want to look at your calendar in terms of former entries, that's an easy way to do it as well. All of this is set up so you only see one thing at a time, right? Whether it's your day, your week, or the full calendar. So if I'm journaling today, I'm going to put in today, and the date is already automatically put in there. My daily highlight is recording this video, let's say. I'm feeling pretty excited and happy today, so I can put in a couple of moods there, select as many that make sense to you. My energy level, pretty normal today, so I can throw that in. And then this productivity is on a ring basis out of 10, right? So if I'm having a 10 out of 10 day, it's going to fill that ring. If I'm having an average day, say like a 7, you can see the progress ring there. So once you have all these filled out for your day, you can actually go in here and start creating your tasks. This is where you can plan your week, and I highly recommend it because planning your week for about 30 minutes a week is going to save you hours and hours and hours of distraction. At least that's been my experience, right? So if I want to do tasks for today, I could say recording this video and maybe something like call mom, right? Now, it's also been proven that by having gratitude, practicing that every single day, you're just going to improve your mood. So things I'm grateful for, we can say family, health, and we'll say good weather, something like that. Now, if you want to put in notes for the day, this is where you simply can just add a few things. So I'm going to put in a bullet point, um, loving how the weather is affecting my mood. This new house is great. Want to meet up with Blake later. Something like that, right? Just that self reflection. Nothing is off the table. Getting it out of your head and into a recorded format like this digital format is going to help you do that, right? So, how you can plan your week is simply going into, if I want to do a new entry, say I want to do Saturday, and I select the 20th, first of all, it's going to be removed from today's view, right? But if I look at the week, now it's in there. And so I can go with the same idea. I'm not going to record my daily highlight or moods, energy, or productivity until I get to that day. But I can go in here and start planning my week, same as I was before. So maybe my Saturday task, since it's the weekend, is mow the lawn and call dad, something like that, right? So now you're planning your whole week in a very simplistic format and essentially saving yourself hours of time. Always put the top priorities at the top and you'll be good to go from there. So use this, it's completely free. I hope it helps you. And if you have any questions or maybe insights on how to make this better, drop me a line, right? Shoot me a message in LinkedIn and I would love to hear it. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.